Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Semantic Literature Review for Detecting Intrusion in the Unmanned Aerial Vehicle using Machine and Deep Learning. Our project abstract is these project address to the secure challenge based on that military ground robot in presence man-middle attack with Internet of Things IoT based on the military system. Using this military IoT attack dataset we have taken, the proposed is a machine learning ML and deep learning as DL. Based on the approach, real-time attack will be detected. So first we have taken to the data undergoes to the pre-processing, which the including handling for the missing values, label encoding, and remove the irrelevant of the features. The feature selection is the optimized to using principal component analysis PCA method, which to help reducing to the dimensional while to retrain to the essential for the information for accurate attack classification part. So the data in this split into 80% of training and 20% of testing set with the various classification algorithms such as random forest, CNN and LSTM. CNN means convolution neural network and LSTM means long short term memory model. So begin to the evaluate to the detect different type of cyber attack. The primary goal of this study is classified to the network attack and either to the attack or not, along with the predicting to the specific task of the type of attack model utilized in the combination for the traditional and deep learning technique. The comparing of the algorithm is content to the focus and key performance metrics like as accuracy, loss, network speed, latency, scalability. The proposed model, the efficiency will be improved and then performance is analyzed using to the metrics like confusion matrix, classification report and training testing accuracy. So these one we are move on to the flask based interference system, user friendly platform of the interference with the model make to that real time IoT attack detection of the military environment. These approach the aim to enhance the trust and then secure of the military ground robots by the enabling effective mitigation agents cyber threats, ensuring to the reliability robustness of that operation to that condition. Our project flowchart is first we have start to the Anaconda Navigator Spider tool as well as to the Anaconda prompt of the front end part. So first we have taken to the data set for the military bot IoT dataset through the Kaggle website wise. So first we have collect to the data is a CSV file. First we have import to the data. So what are the attack type in there we have check it on. So next one we can move on to the data pre-processing. Data pre-processing means data insight gathering and refiner. Refiner means data pre-processing step. So that one is the data cleaning process. Missing values we have check it on, label encoding and then unnecessary row and column will be removed. After that we have extract to the features, data extraction part. So next one we can move on to the train and test part, data splitting 80% of training and 20% of testing. After that we can using to the model training for that machine learning algorithm as well as to the deep learning algorithm, random forest, decision tree, SVM, KNN and CNN algorithm. Totally 5 algorithm we have used it on. Which algorithm is the best one, that algorithm wise we have predict to that data set. So which algorithm is the best one means first we have find out to the accuracy is the 90 above part. So after that the prediction, the user enter to the details automatically predicted to the that is a military man-middle attack will be occur or not we have checked it out. Finally we have calculated to the performance analysis based on the metric analysis, accuracy, loss, confusion matrix, classification report. So these are that we have checked it out. So the front end we are using to the Streamlit. So the page will be open, the user enter to the details automatically is predicted to the military application of the attack will be occur or not we have checked it out, and then attack means which type of the attack will be there, so that also we have checked it. Once it's completed means we can log out to that web page, that is the end process. our project execution based on, first we have import to that data set. So this is the data set we have import. After to the pre-processing, we can move on to the data pre-processing step. So these are the data pre-processing part. So first we have checking to the missing values. After to that we have split to that data splitting process, 80% of training and 20% of testing. So after using to that machine learning algorithm, using to the model training part, so machine learning algorithm for that random forest, decision tree, KNN. After to that our proposed CNN model. So these are that we get the 98.69 means the totally 99% of accuracy we got it. So after to that is prediction part. The prediction part based on the web page application wise. So we get the 98.6 means is totally 99%. Loss means 0.00 something values. After to that these one is which type of the attack will be detected. For example, we have taken to the data. So this is the overall web page wise. So this is a home page and abstract and prediction. So prediction means user entered to the detail, automatically predicted to that which type of the attack will be occur. We have check it on. For example, we have taken for the these data. So we have copied the path and paste here and enter. It's detecting to the normal. So next one we have copy and paste here and predict to the model is the which type of the attack will be occur. We have checked it. Thank you.